Hey, hello, hi, what's up Bengaluru? Very good morning, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your love and support on my previous videos. I'm back with another interesting food vlog. Thank you guys, thank you so much for your love and support on all my previous video. Please do keep supporting me. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Harivivintravelvlog. I'm basically a travel freak and a foodie. So you're gonna see all travel and food related vlogs in our channel. So if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, it's been a really tremendous journey. So within just 1 month, I've been posting a lot of food related videos, and the response is really overwhelming. So I'll give you the food vlog playlist in the below description, so please go and check all my other vlogs as well. So guys, today is June 8th and time is around 7 o'clock now, and as you've seen in the description, so we are here in Indranagar in Angel Mutton Soup shop. So the basic idea here is that rather than usual vlog, so we are going to try the mutton leg soup in the early morning. So many people have been asking where we can get mutton leg soup in the early morning on the weekdays. So one of this shop here in Indranagar offers mutton leg soup, and along with some idlis, semiyas and all non-veg eateries. So guys, about this particular place, this particular eatery is basically very famous. They have been featured in Bangalore Mirror as well, and there are a couple of other videos also in YouTube as well. The signature part is that they offer mutton leg soup along with other dishes, non-veg dishes, on early morning, starts from 7 AM. Please do watch the video completely. I'm going to give a complete detail of the food and a complete review of the place. So if you are basically a foodie, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. Sir, what is sir?
Hi, my name is Rodrigues. My name is Angel Mutton Leg Soup. My name is 5 years. I am business.
Okay. Sir, that's an idea or vision வந்து நீங்க வந்து கடை செட் அப் பண்ணீங்களா?
கடவுள் வந்து விஷனா கொடுத்தாரு. keep mutton leg soup. After that, I started நான் போய் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண கடை வைக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு 2 times விஜய் வச்சுருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் மட்டன் leg soup ரொம்ப இது சேம் தெரியாது நமக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் சூப்பராக வச்சு அதுக்கு கஸ்டமர்ஸ் எல்லாம் டேஸ்ட் எல்லாம் கொடுத்து கஸ்டமர்ஸ் எல்லாம் பிக்கப் ஆகிட்டு இதுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு லெவல் ரீச் ஆகிருக்கு. ஆன்லைனில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்விக்கியில் இருக்குது, சொமேட்டோவில் இருக்குது, டென்சோவில் இருக்குது, அமேசானில் கூட இருக்குது. நீங்கள் அங்கேருந்து இது லொக்கேஷன் வந்து ஜீவன் நகரில் இருக்குது, SBI பேங்க் லேண்ட்மார்க்கு. இங்கிருந்து 15 கிலோமீட்டர்ஸுக்கும் டெலிவரி போகுது இங்கிருந்து. ஸோ நம்ம பண்ணுறது வந்து மட்டன் லெக் சூப்பு, மட்டன் லிவரு, அப்போது மட்டன் போட்டி ஃப்ரை இருக்குது, அப்போ ஹெட் மட்டன் இருக்குது, இட்லி இருக்குது, சேமியா இருக்குது, அப்பம் இருக்குது. ஸோ இவ்வளோ ஐட்டம்ஸ் இருக்குது. டைமிங்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மார்னிங் வந்து 7 AM to 10 AM, அகெயின் ஈவினிங் 5:30 PM to நைட் 10 o'clock PM. எவ்ரி சண்டேஸ் ஹாலிடே இருக்கும். மண்டே டு சண்டேஸ் வரைக்கும் ஒர்க்கிங் டேஸ். எந்த கவர்மெண்ட் ஃபெஸ்டிவல்ஸ் நம்ம லீவ் போகிறதுல ஒன்லி சண்டேஸ் மட்டும் ஹாலிடே நம்ம. நீங்கள் எல்லாம் கடைக்கு வாங்க, டேஸ்ட் பாருங்கள். யூ ஹேவ் a good better taste. You will not have a taste like this before ever. Just come and try it and feel a good result. It is very helpful for health and joints, elbows, knees, things and all. Thank you. Just give a like and subscribe our channel.
Thank you, sir. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Yeah,
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
ಆರು ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಸರ್ ಮಟನ್ ಸೂಪ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಬಂದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಸರ್ ಮಟನ್ ಸೂಪ್? ಇಡ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಲಿವರ್, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. Hey guys, welcome back. So along with me today, Jani has also joined the food review with me.
Hello guys, how are you all?
So Danny has also got his YouTube channel. I'll give the link in the below description. So guys, without any further delay, let's do the food review now along with Danny. So I mean, we just can't control our cravings, guys. So without any further delay, we are going to check the soup now. Please do watch the video completely, guys. The main part is yet to come. So guys, welcome back. So we are at my most favorite and interesting part of the vlog now, the food review. Guys, it's just amazing. I can just holding the dish. The aroma is really very great. As you've seen in the previous and the promoter stock, so they are available on all days except Sundays. So the main dish over here is the mutton leg soup along with the mutton leg, and also they have got other combination also. They have got semias, they have got idlis, they have got head curry, mutton head curry, and they have got liver and many other things, guys. So I highly recommend you to come and visit this place, and it is damn cheap, guys. And so early morning it starts from 7 AM and ends around 11 o'clock till 11:30. And evenings there are many more dishes available. They start around 6 o'clock in the evening as well. So please do come and check it. And also I'll give you the Google coordinates link in the below description. Sorry guys, since we are in the Jeevan Bhima Nagar main road, you might be having some audio issues since the vehicles are moving around. So guys, without any further delay, I'm going to do the food review now. So right now with me is the mutton leg soup along with the mutton leg. Super hot. Texture looks really amazing. And guys, as you've seen, there are we reached here around 7 o'clock, but as the time goes on, within just 10-15 minutes, a lot of people are coming here to come and try the mutton soup. So guys, if you are a foodie, non-veg lover and looking for an early morning leg soup, So this is the right place, guys. So if you're watching me for the first time, guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you're a food lover and a non-veg lover like me, please don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so that you get all the amazing food vlogs from my channel. And I'm gonna post it very frequently, guys. Guys, the texture looks really amazing, and it has got all the ingredients. I could smell the aroma from by just looking at it, and just holding it up just near my face. The aroma and the smell of pepper, just got mixed, and it's really very amazing, guys. So guys, I am trying the signature dish over here, mutton leg with the mutton leg soup. So this dish is just 80 rupees. They give you one leg along with the mutton soup, along with add on pepper on also into it. So let's try now let's try it, guys. Super hot actually. Ultimate, guys. The soup is very strong. It has got a much more flavor and dark flavor of pepper actually. Very nice. Salt is very moderate. Super sexy. Just a burst of carnivals and masalas in my mouth. Really very nice, guys. And I think they would have infused this mutton leg and soup at least for 2 to 3 hours. So in that case, it has got the perfect ingredients. Perfect mutton soup, I would say, guys. I highly recommend you to come and try this, guys. Super hot, super nice, guys. Having such a wonderful climate in Bangalore and trying mutton leg soup on early morning we are actually blessed, guys. All the people of Bangalorean, don't forget to subscribe the channel as well, guys. Just can't. Super nice. Very nice. Fantastic, guys. Majorly, most of them go on weekends to try the mutton leg soup, guys. But this is the perfect place if you want to try it on a weekday. You've got parcel also, and also if you are within 15 kilometers radius, you can also order it from Zomato as well, guys. I've given the complete details in the below description, so please go and try it, guys. Now coming to the another most interesting part, trying the mutton leg, guys. Wow. Huge mutton leg piece, guys. Let's see, the soup is just pouring out. Got a very big piece, guys. Cheers for everybody who's watching. No chance, guys. No chance. Seriously top notch. Very, 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 very soft. And it's very gooey. I mean, infused in masala. Wow, I just have no words, guys. Gonna have my second bite now. Guys, you don't have to actually bite and pull it out. You just suck it. The marrow, the meat just comes in your mouth and just rolls out in your tongue, guys. Guys, sorry, I'm gonna cut this video now, and because I just can't stop my craving. Guys, along with me, Danny also have joined for the full review. So we are trying the mutton leg soup together.
expect like what is the place I'll be getting in the morning, early morning in Bangalore. It is totally like out of the world.
Guys, even Dan is also suggesting.
Seriously guys, you have to try this. Must try, I will say. Definitely you have to come here early morning. You have to come here and 7 o'clock you will get it, and you have to taste it once. It is totally out of the world.
So guys, Dan is also suggesting. So please do come and visit this place, guys. So guys, welcome back. We have come to the final part of the vlog now. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Guys, trust me, this place really rocks. And guys, once again, the mutton leg soup along with the leg is basically just 80 rupees. And if you want to only try the mutton soup, it's just 30 rupees, guys. And it is really worth it. All the details I've given in the below description, guys. I'm going to post similar food vlogs and travel vlogs, guys. So stay tuned. I'll see you soon with another interesting vlog. Until then, this is Harivivintravelvlog signing off. Thanks for watching.